In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the template in your Freshbooks account. This process is essential if you want to enhance the personalization of your communications with clients, making them more professional and effective. Let's dive in. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Settings section once you're logged into your Freshbooks account. Think of this as your control center, where all the changes to your account settings live. Once you're in Settings, find and click on the Email Customization tab. This is where you'll make the adjustments to your communication templates. It's crucial because it sets the tone and style for your client interactions, so keep your audience in mind as you make changes. After you've entered the Email Customization area, take a look at the list of available templates. You'll need to choose one that matches the type of email communication you want to tailor. Whether it's an invoice, a follow-up email, or a thank you note, pick the template that aligns with your goals. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize. Pay attention to both the subject line and the body of the email. The subject line is your first impression, so make it catchy and relevant to the message you're sending. The body should convey the necessary information clearly and concisely. Personal touches here can make all the difference. A neat feature in Freshbooks is the option to use dynamic fields, which is incredibly useful. You'll notice a lightning bolt icon within the customization area. Click on that to add dynamic fields like client names, invoice numbers, or due dates. These elements automatically update based on the client or project, which not only saves you time, but also increases the professional tone of your communications. It's a small addition, but it can have a substantial impact on how personalized and considered your emails feel. Also, consider who your clients see as the sender of these emails. Within this customization section, there's an option to change the sender's name. Perhaps you want to change it from a generic "your company name" to something more personal like "your name from your company." This adds a personal touch and can help build stronger relationships with your clients, as it presents a warm and approachable image. The effort you put into these customizations reflects on your company's brand and professionalism. By taking the time to customize your email templates in Freshbooks, you can ensure that your communications are not only functional, but also tailored to suit your business style. This attention to detail speaks volumes to your clients, presenting you as a thoughtful and professional partner in their business needs. By following these steps, you're not just modifying a template, you're enhancing the client experience. And that wraps up our guide on modifying email templates in Freshbooks. Be sure to apply these changes to make the most out of your client communications. Thanks for watching.